ideas are like muscle. The more you try to come up with new ideas, the easier it becomes to actually come up with ideas. And the cool thing about AI today is that you can actually train an AI model to come up with ideas by giving it the training that it needs and let it do all the workout for you in order to come up with new ideas. So I built this tool over the weekend, like literally last week, and this tool essentially allows you to go from idea to validation to prototyping in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys right now exactly how you can do it. So before I start the timer, because I'm going to have a timer here, I'm going to quickly explain you how to use the tool. So when you go on the generator, you have a way to tailor your preferences. So you can pick industry and solution that you want. So there's different industries here with example of companies in those industries to make it easier for you to pick an industry. And you have the ability to pick a solution type. So how your solution will deliver to customer. Is it a done for you solution? So fully automated solution that delivers result with minimal user input. Is it a done with you solution? So collaborative solution where users work alongside the service? Or is it a do-it-yourself solution, a self-service solution where users take full control using the tool? So there are different pros and cons of having this different option. I personally usually prefer done for you solution. So think about it like having, for example, a dubbing website where you literally just upload a video and it dubs it for you. So that will be literally done for you. You don't have to do anything in between. It's literally taking care of that pain point for you and provide you a result. And then you have the ability to pick a target market size. So you can make it very niche, or you can make it very broad, and you have the ability to pick audience type as well. So you might wonder what kind of audience type you might target. So you can have business to business, business to customer, B2B, B2B to C, which is business to consumer. And you also have the ability to pick direct to consumer, marketplace, business to government, and peer to peer. So you can pick between either of those options depending on your goals. And then finally, you can also pick an AI feature. So right now in the age of AI, a lot of people want to build AI applications. So if you want to make sure this application incorporate AI features like generative text, video, audio, any of the sort that will make sense for that idea and this pain point. So you just have to tick this box and then it will literally just allow you to generate this kind of idea. And finally, you have the ability to pick the involvement level. So depending on owners, some owners like to have a hands-on management on the thing that they're building, and some prefer to have it run on autopilot. I'm more on the left side where I like it to run on autopilot for me. You also can pick ease of target market identification. So essentially, how easy is it going to be for you to find leads? So you might wonder, why would people go on hard to find? It could be a way for you to have a strong moat. But if you go on easy to find, then when you're using tools like Apollo or Hunter or any of those other tools that allow you to find leads, it's making it a lot easier for you to find leads because it will have like standards name. Think of it like dentist or for example, engineer. So like very simple keywords that most of those tools actually have that will make it easier for you to find leads on those tools. So this is what those advanced features are for. So you don't have to use them, but I want to show you how it works. So essentially, I'm going to go here midway, run on autopilot. And what I'll do something like easy to find. But let me start the counter before I get started with this. This way you can literally see that I can go from idea to execution in less than 5 minutes. So let's go. Let's start the timer. So we head over to generate idea. So now we can pick an industry. We're going to go for, let me see, something interesting. What if we were to pick something that everyone can understand, like how about food nutrition tech? And then I'm going to make a done for you solution. It's going to have AI features. Then I'm going to pick a very niche audience, so something toward very niche. I'm going to aim for B2C, which is business to consumer. And in the advanced feature, involvement level, I'm going to go midway here. Kind of run on autopilot, but also more toward hands-on management. So think about it like places where I want to make sure that things can be verified by people, by human, for ethical consideration, for example. And then ease of management, I'm going to go for easy to find. Business to consumer, I want it even easier to find than, business to business or anything like that. So right here, we have all our parameters. So we're going to generate the idea now. So it's going to take a few minutes, actually a few seconds, I should say. And once I generate the idea, bingo, here it is. So now you can see that we have a Nutri Buddy, a personalized meal planning with AI. So it's a done-for-you solution that provides tailored meal plan and recipes based on individual dietary need, preferences, and health goals. Okay, so how does it work? So target audience, health-conscious consumer looking for convenient meal solution. Pain point, struggling with planning meals that align with specific dietary needs, leading to wasted time, groceries, and potential health setback. What's the value proposition? NutriBuddy eliminates the stress of meal preparation by offering AI-optimized plan tailored to user preferences, ensuring consistent, healthy eating is achievable and personal. But what about the core feature? Real-time personalized meal adjustment using user data and preferences to create the ultimate user-centric meal planning tool. So here, you see, it gives you all the different detail that you need, including the keywords, which essentially allow you to find demand. So you can use those keywords to check what's the demand for these different keywords on SEO tools and stuff like that. And they even give you a pricing model. All right, so now that we have an idea, you'll notice that the idea also call here and appear on the directory, which you can't really filter and so on. But this is the idea. You see here, we can either copy the prompt and put it in the chat, AI LLM of our choice, or we can literally open it in V0, and this is going to generate the idea prototype literally for us. So it's doing it live right here. So right, I'm not making this up. So I gave it my prompt. It's generating the idea for us right now. It's doing his things, generating the code. We still have about 2 minutes and about 8 seconds on the clock. Let's see how this is going. And just mind me, I've done that while explaining you exactly how to use the tool and also, going a little bit more into details. But I actually believe that it's possible to do that in less than 5 minutes. You can literally do that in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I don't know, or even less. All right. So it's right now, as you can see, it's generating the dashboard, the header, all the different component of the visual appearance for our app. It's generating the different layout, all the features that we need for it, essentially. Let's keep going. And what it's going to do is generate a visual prototype that we can actually use to get started to build an application. So that's a step that used to take people sometime like weeks to months to do, just the front end part, right? Just making sure that the app looks like as you want. So just doing this little part used to take a lot of people to build or create a prototype for. But we're just going to do that within the confine of the timer that we set. So we have 1 minute and 5 seconds left on the clock. It's just generating the code. As you can see, generating multiple pages. So let's see. I'm hoping that we get it done before the clock ends and we can actually see a visual. All right, just a few more minutes. How's this going? Perfect. So here is our prototype. And look at this. We have a fully working prototype right now. So we have custom meal prep, and just so we clear, let's stop the clock. So we have 38 seconds left on the clock. And look at what we got. We got our tools. So we have meal planning. Look at this, we can customize meal plan. And obviously if we make some mistake like removing the header, we can fix that later. What else do we have? We have custom meal prep. We have tracking. So you see, for tracking of calories, protein, carb, and so on. We have a community page where people can share recipes. Interesting. And then we have the support page where people can chat with a nutritionist. So it actually incorporated AI as we wanted. If you remember, we had for AI capability, and he said utilize AI algorithm to generate meal plan and adapt recipe according to user response and health metrics enhance overall nutrition. So we have all of these features here, and we have access to all of it right here. And now if you see the signing page right there. So yeah, so that literally took us less than 5 minutes, about 5 minutes for me to explain you how the tool works, and then less than 5 minutes to show you that it's actually doable. So if you want to use this tool, just head over to ideas.richarddacam.com or SaaS Idea. So both URL works. And yeah, you just head over here, and you'll also have access to very large database where you can actually explore all the different ideas that were generated by other users. And yeah, this is really cool. Thanks for watching.